Hello everybody, so I've changed the ideas yet again. So I'm using the goods shed as an actual goods shed this time for the unloading of naval stores. And then we have a small platform which used to be the express dairy kit, where more stores will be worked and unloaded. In the back, it's a small office and a loading area for the naval trucks. And then if we come round to break up the back scene, decide to build the large warehouse at the front here. So it will be one, two, it'll be 3 panels long. Just ignore this panel. So it'll sit just beside the last arch here. And the idea is just to break up, let me take this one out of the way, just to break up the visual view of the station. I always like trains disappearing in behind things rather than seeing the whole train in a oneer. It just makes it a bit more interesting, and docksides always had large warehouses anyway, so I think the overall scene should be quite nice.